I'm Christie from the Muncie Public Library, and today we're going to be making these little flapping penguins. Using the largest rectangular color piece, fold in half. Next, fold down one side and crease approximately 1/4 inch above the first crease. Flip over and repeat on the other side. Trace your desired penguin shape, making sure that the folds are at the bottom of your penguin's body, and then cut out the penguin body. I have included a template on the instructions if you need it. Next, using the white piece of paper, trace the penguin's belly and face. Cut these out and glue to the front of the colored body. Again, I have included a template. Glue on the orange beak. Draw eyes and any other desired features that you'd like on your penguin. Next, we're going to use one of the long rectangular pieces. Fold in half and draw your desired penguin wing shape. Then cut out, making sure that there are two separate wings. Using the smallest colored rectangle, fold in half, making sure the fold is on the short side. Next, fold the top of one side down to the bottom, having the paper. Flip over and repeat. Reopen the folds that you made in the previous step. With the folded side at the bottom, fold one corner up to the crease in the middle, creating a triangle. Repeat this on the other side of the paper. Unfold both corners, flip over the whole paper, and fold the corners up again, and then unfold. With your paper slightly open, push both bottom corners up towards the middle so that the triangles are now on the inside. Using the second long, thin colored piece, fold in thirds the long way. You can glue or tape along the edges to keep it from unfolding. Cut about a 1/2 inch along the folded edges on one end. Next, glue the handle to the flapping mechanism. On the inside crease of the penguin's body, cut a small rectangle a little bigger than the width of the handle, and then insert the handle through this hole. Glue top corner of each wing to the triangles made right behind the front flap of the mechanism. When gluing, make sure that each piece of the mechanism can move freely and that none of them have been glued together. Next, glue the back flap of the mechanism to the inside of the back flap of the penguin body. Again, making sure that none of the mechanism pieces have been glued together. To make your penguin flap, hold a bottom corner of the penguin's body and move the handle up and down. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure to check back for more videos.